Don Clifton was an American psychologist and the pioneer of positive psychology and human talent development. He is widely recognized as the father of strengths-based psychology for his groundbreaking approach, which focuses on individual strengths rather than weaknesses. Clifton led the creation of the Clifton StrengthsFinder, a tool used worldwide to identify talents and maximize personal and professional potential. The book StrengthsFinder 2.0 continues Clifton's work in collaboration with Gallup, a leading research company. Its main objective is to help people discover their natural talents and use them to achieve personal and professional success. The core idea is that investing in your strengths yields better results than trying to fix your weaknesses, allowing for exponential growth in areas where you naturally excel. Key lessons from the book include the importance of identifying and refining your natural talents, how to apply these talents in work and life, and the need to develop a personal growth plan based on your strengths. The book also provides access to the StrengthsFinder test, which identifies your top 5 strengths, offering a customized approach to self-development. The central message of StrengthsFinder 2.0 is that real success comes from understanding and maximizing your innate talents rather than wasting energy trying to be good at everything. This book is aimed at individuals who want to know themselves better and use that self-awareness to thrive in their careers and personal lives, whether as leaders, employees, or entrepreneurs. It's especially useful for those who feel they're struggling with their weaknesses and are looking for a new approach to personal development. To conclude, here are the 5 main lessons you will learn from StrengthsFinder 2.0 by Don Clifton. Focus on strengths. The book teaches that success lies in enhancing natural talents, not fixing weaknesses. By focusing on what you already do well, you maximize your growth potential. Practical self-awareness. The StrengthsFinder test provided with the book identifies your top 5 strengths, helping you create a personalized action plan for success. Continuous development. Clifton advocates for personal growth as a continuous process, where you are always refining your strengths with focus and dedication. Application in work and life. The book shows how to apply your talents in both personal and professional contexts, helping you succeed with more confidence and effectiveness. Increased productivity and satisfaction. By focusing on strengths, you not only become more productive but also more fulfilled and satisfied in both work and personal life. The psychological framework of the book. The book StrengthsFinder 2.0 is grounded in positive psychology, an approach that focuses on human well-being and strengths rather than just addressing problems or disorders. This field, championed by Don Clifton and Martin Seligman, suggests that by exploring and developing our personal strengths, we can lead more meaningful and fulfilling lives. The idea of strengths fits perfectly within this framework, helping individuals focus on what they excel at. Positive psychology is especially relevant to those seeking self-awareness and personal growth, as it helps maximize well-being, productivity, and satisfaction. Rather than wasting energy on fixing weaknesses, you can use this self-knowledge to flourish, both personally and professionally, which is precisely what Clifton's book encourages. This was our summary of StrengthsFinder 2.0 by Don Clifton. We hope it helped you.